No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be cleaning the Mondeo. We're going to have a look round before and after, but more importantly, massive shout out to Smart Valeting UK for supplying and giving away a load of their products. So please stay tuned. Towards the end of the video we're going to be giving away some products and it benefits you guys, but you must be subscribed to the channel. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, give it a bit of a share if you like. We'll see you soon. So I've been waiting a few days as the tap's been frozen, but after inspection today the tap is working. So we're going to go nip and use the tap, the jet wash, give it a snow foam. It's been a couple of weeks guys, at least, but I mean look at the state of it. I've never had such a dirty car. Those that know me, I'm always washing and cleaning. So let's get straight in to the cleaning video. Right, so we've got the car in position and I thought we'd show you the products that we've got on offer from Smart Valeting UK. Have kindly given to the channel. We've got air fresheners, we've got pre-wash snow foam, we've got deluxe shampoo, we've got hydrocarbon free wax, we've got quick shine detailer top banana, and we've got cherry sheen interior dressing. We have got multiple products to give away, so make sure you keep watching the video to find out how you can win them. Right, so we've got all the gear set up. First off, we're going to snow foam, rinse off, then we're going to wash by hand, wash off, and then we're going to put the wax on, and then we'll look at cleaning the wheels and anything else that needs doing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go into a time lapse. See you shortly guys.
Artificial love, we just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall, all I wanted was a touch of artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. Artificial love, artificial love, artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall, all I wanted was a touch, 'cause we already lost, addicted to the rush. I never meant to fall, all I wanted was a touch. Artificial love, artificial love, artificial love. We just make it up, 'cause reality will never be good enough. And even if it was, we just mess it up. How can you know what's in a mind, when in between the good and bad there's such a thin line? How can you know what's in a heart?
3 hours later.
Right guys, thank you for making it this far into the video. So now's the details. On Christmas Day at 7 PM, I'll be going live on this YouTube channel and I'll be giving those products away. Thank you to Smart Valeting UK. And now we're going to take a look around the Mondeo after it's been cleaned. Thankfully it's nice and sunny today, so the tap wasn't frozen. So as you've seen in the time lapse, it's had a good old clean. So it's had a snow foam, shampoo, and then some spray wax on there. Everybody loves a clean car, everybody hates a dirty car. So that's a little walk around. Now it's all nice and clean again. Right, so again, thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and on Christmas Day 7 PM we'll be live on the channel giving those products away. Massive shout out to Smart Valeting UK. I'll put their link to their Facebook page in the comments. Anything from cleaning products to valeting your cars, they can sort it all out. Thanks guys, have a good Christmas, see you soon.